Want to win with Westerman? Let me show you something. Step 1. Grab yourself a bag of wild bird 10 kg. Next, you gotta check the hidden treasure, the wild bird card. Now hold on tight, because it's time for the prizes. First up, we've got the ultimate treasure, Swarovski EL 10x42 HD binoculars, valued at a whopping 45,000 Rand. But here's the catch, folks. You'll need to collect the only golden bird card to snatch this beauty. And that's not all. Second prize is a fantastic 2-night stay for 2 at the magnificent Jackie Safari Lodge, worth 22,500 Rand. You'll need to collect all of the rare birds to unlock this wild adventure. Third prize offers Bushnell 10x42 waterproof binoculars valued at 3,500 Rand each. You gotta gather all of the big 6 cards to be crowned a bird watching champion. Lastly, the fourth prize, the Ultimate Companion Coffee Table Book. It's valued at 1,000 Rand each, and you'll need to collect all of the endangered cards to get your hands on this amazing guide. So my feathered friend, collect those cards, share the thrill with your buddies, and make bird watching an adventure to remember. Visit Westerman's Wild Bird Adventure today and let the competition take flight.